Hey everyone, we're going to take a look at doing a screenshot on a Mac. That's what we're taking a look at right now. I've got a few classes where you have to take screenshots. So this is a general information about taking a screenshot, not about turning in the assignment, which is different videos. So let's take a look. We are on a Mac. And the quickest way is to click on the spotlight search, the little magnifying glass at the top of the screen, and type screen. Now, if you are on an older Mac, in other words, you haven't updated the operating system, I think 2 revisions back, it's actually called grab, screen grab. And so you would just type in screen and it actually will pull up grab as well. Now, they actually very much work the same. They really, really do. So before I pull that up, let me pull up, something here. I don't want to zoom. Let me pull up my files. Let's have something, right? Something on the screen here that we can take a screenshot of. That's what we want. Okay, there we go. Nice little Dragonair, Silent Gods. Maybe I should download that. Anyway, let's take a screenshot. So I come up, I got what I need on the screen. That's important. And now I'm ready. So I'm going to go screen. Now, screenshot works differently than most apps do. We don't see at the top something that says screenshot. Instead, we get this bar here that has our options of what we can do. And then we get this area. This area will appear different depending on what the last screenshot was. So let's say I just need this area. Then that's what I want a screenshot of. As I specify in assignment turn in, I just want the area that's needed. I don't want you to hit the special keys within Mac or Windows that allow you to take a screenshot of the entire screen. I don't want a screenshot of the entire screen because it makes the image really, 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 really small. And then it's hard for me to see. So I want a screenshot of just what you need to take. And I have, again, put that in the other videos that say this is what you need to do for these assignments, right? So I'm going to pretend like this is what I need to grab. Now, it is important if you're not using your own computer in particular that you check under options because that's going to say where should I dump this screenshot when I am finished taking it. So a lot of times students at the college will actually have it sent straight to the clipboard because they'll copy from the clipboard straight into Word. I tell people, hey, you need to make sure you've got a copy of these screenshots because there are times when somebody uploads something and then boom, it's screwed up. And I go, this is messed up. And then they end up having to do the assignment all over again. That's not a problem, right, in the Google classes because they're taking a screenshot of the grade. They would just take that again. But if you didn't get the screenshots for that particular assignment and save them in some way, then you're gonna have to do that all over again. So just be aware, desktop is usually where it puts it. Be aware that that's there. You can also set a timer, which can be significant because you can see in this mode, I can't do anything else other than adjust this window and pull up these menus. So if I needed to right click down here on something, I would have to tell it, look, give me a 5-second delay so I can right click on something. And I'll show you that in just a minute. All right, so I don't need to change those options and I'm going to click capture. Now, once you hit capture, notice down here, there's a little icon, you would think, a little picture. And that's actually, if you click on it, that's the screenshot. There it is. And you can actually copy it from here and, send it to somebody else or whatever you're going to do. Or you can wait and that'll go away. And then on the screen itself out here, it will save your screenshots, right? So here's all these different screenshots that I've taken and you can grab it from the desktop because that's where it's saving it. All right, so let's show you just quickly a timed screenshot. Now notice, hey, where did that go to? Yeah, screenshot closed. Once it takes its screenshot, it just closes and it's done. So we got to reopen it. There we are. And now let's say I need to get a picture of me right-clicking down here on one of these icons. And I can't do it, right? It's not going to let me. So what I'll do instead is I'll come over here to options and I will say, you know what, give me 5 seconds, which is quite enough time. And then see over here, it's ticking down, right? That's what's going to happen. 5 seconds. Now I click on this and I got a screenshot of that information. So let's check it. I kind of got it, didn't I? I got options show recent because of where I set the window. But that did what I needed it to do. So if you need to do a little pop-up, or say you need to pull down this menu, right, you would then, let me show you a more successful example. I will do screenshot. We'll drag this up here. Say, you know what, I need this area. I'm going to drag that down, make sure I get the full menu. Now we'll go over here, and it says it's still on 5 seconds. So now I'll come up here and I'll click on that and then wait for it to take the picture. And there it has taken the picture. And now I can turn this in, showing that if that was the assignment, showing that I pulled up that menu. So if you need something timed, that's the way you do it. And that's taking a screenshot. Again, that's all this little video is about, is just how to take it, not how to turn it in. We will talk with you later. Thanks for watching.